This is a detailed review of each Livayo feature. We're on the Organize the Work screen, and we're looking at how to select or change a task note. So again, here are the recurring tasks to complete this job. We have the frequency and the rhythm, the person it's assigned to. We have the duration and a specific time if there's a meeting. And then you'll see here, these are the notes that give a further explanation to these tasks. If it's lit up, that means there's a note in it. And if it's dim, that means there's not a note. So for example, under this task, there is an item that says, in this case, there are some CRM measures that we use, and it lists the actual measurements that we take in our CRM. Here is another note, and it just has a brief description of what that task is for. I actually like to use the task note to describe when to mark green and when to mark red. So you'll see in another video about our accountability process, where with each task each day, you mark red or green, whether you got the job done or not. And sometimes people want to know, because it's not always clear, well, what happens if I have that task today, but there's nothing to do with it, or there's nothing to respond to that task? Do I mark red or green? So I always put in here to mark green if you created the Rick to contact list and you sent it to Rick, mark red if you did not create the list, and if there's no list to create, also mark red. So that's how I use the notes section. So when you add a new task, it will add a new note down here, and the note will be blank, and that's when you can go in and put in a new note. And of course, you can go into existing notes and change these notes like this, and then you save the note. And that is how you select and change a task note.